Students mostly use MS Word to prepare their assignments, seminars, project reports, etc. But most of them are not familiar with the features of MS Word that makes formatting easier.
In this video, we will see the effective use of MS Word for preparing project reports.
We will see how to set styles for easy formatting. Once a style is set, it can be used for the whole document, even for future documents. We will also see how to prepare the table of contents, list of tables and figures, etc. within a few seconds. The first thing to do is to type all your matter, including all your figures, tables, etc. Once you have set this, we have to go to the Homes tab, click on Styles. You can see a number of options here. You can set styles for each of this. First, I am going to set a style for my title. So click on the drop-down menu, click on Modify. Now I can set my all my styles here. I want Times New Roman as font. Let the font size be 14 for my title. It should be bold. It should be centralized. I want it to be all caps also. So click on Format button here. Go to Font. Click on All Caps. Click on OK. I can even set the paragraph spacing here. Before and after spacing is 6. Let the line spacing be 1.5. Click on OK. Now make sure the Add to the Styles Gallery button is checked here. Also, if you want this type of formatting only for this document, you can click on this. But if you want this formatting for all other documents as well, then click on New Documents based on this template. Now it is done and click on OK. So now you have set a style for your title. Similarly, you can set a style for your subtitle. Again, the font should be Times New Roman. I want the font size to be 13. It should be bold. It should be centralized. Go to paragraph. Before and after spacing should be 6. I want the line spacing to be 1.5. Click on OK. Add to the Styles Gallery is checked here. Click on New Documents based on this template. Click on OK. So subtitle is now set. Now go to heading 1. Modify. Do the same process. I want the Times New Roman font. 12 itself. Bold. It should be centralized. I want all my heading 1s to be in capital letters. So click on All Caps. Click on OK. Again go to paragraph. Line spacing should be 1.5. Click on OK. Again click on New Documents based on this template. Click on OK. Now I want to set a style for my normal text. That is a text which comes under each heading. So for that, click on Normal, Modify, change the font and font size as required. It should be justified. The paragraph spacing can be adjusted here. I want it to be 1.5. Click on OK. Now if you want to have a table of contents in your document, you can have a style for that also. For that, click on TOC1, Modify. I want it to be justified. I can adjust the paragraph spacing here. Click on OK. Now you can set styles for your table and figure captions also. For that, you have to click on Captions here. Caption. Modify. I want the captions to be in Times New Roman. Font 12. I do not want it to be bold, but I want it to be italics. I want it to be centralized. The paragraph spacing before and after 6, but the line spacing can be single. Click on OK. OK. So now you have set styles for all your headings and figures and all. Now all the styles that are set can be seen in the home page here itself. There is a drop down menu here. If you click on that, you can see the full list. Now I want this chapter 1 as a title. So just go to this, click on title and see it has changed. Means the formatting has been done. Similarly, introduction. I want it to be a subtitle. See. Now this is a normal text. You need not select all the paragraph. You just click anywhere on that paragraph. That is a normal text, so I am clicking on that. So see, the formatting, paragraph, spacing, font size, all those have been adjusted. Now this should come as a heading 1. Click on that. Again, this is a normal text. I have smaller titles here. I can add it as headings 3. This is a normal text. Again, normal text. Normal text. Now I have formatted all the text, all the headings, normal text, etc. in a similar manner. Now I need to number my figures. If I use the caption option to number the figures, tables, etc., then it will be easier for me to prepare the table of figures and tables. So for that, we click near the caption of the figure, go to References, Insert Caption. Here under the labels, you choose Figure, click on OK. So Figure 1 automatically appears here. The style we have applied to the captions is also applied here. Now we need to delete this. If I go to the second figure, I go to Insert Caption. Under the label Figure is chosen. Click on OK. So Figure 2 caption automatically appears. Delete this. Formatting is also done. In this way, I have numbered the rest of the figures also. Figure 3, Figure 4. Now you can number the tables as well by using the option Caption. For that, click on Insert Caption. Under the labels, instead of figure, you choose table. Click on OK. For the second table also, insert caption, label table, OK. So all the tables and figures are now numbered. Now you can, using this option caption, you can also mark equations. Say for example this is an equation. Again go to insert caption. Under the label choose equation. Click on OK. So equation 1 is marked. For the second equation it will come as equation 2 and so on. Now let's see how to insert a list of tables and list of figures at the end of the document. First type the heading list of figures, then go to references, insert table of figures, under caption label choose figure, click on OK. You have a list of figures with page number. Now list of tables, Again same option, instead of insert table of figures, under caption label choose table, click on OK. You have a list of tables there. We can also insert a table of contents. For that we go to the beginning of the document, go to references, insert table of contents. You can choose any of these options. I am choosing this. I got a contents list. Now if I alter any of these contents later after inserting a table of contents, it can be automatically updated. Say for example, if I am adding another title here, another heading here, something like this, with some text added. This text is normal. This is heading 1. Then you can update the table of contents. Just select the table, go to references, update entire table, click on OK. So the new entry appears. Now this can be applied to figures and tables also. If you add one or more figures or tables, it will be automatically renumbered and inserted automatically. Say if this is the title of the, caption of the table, go to insert caption, under label, choose table, so table 2 appears there. Now it can be automatically updated in the list of tables. Choose the list, under references, update table, update entire table, click on OK. So the new table caption appears. So in this way you can easily format your whole document, and see it looks a lot better now. Lastly, you can insert page numbers. For that, go to insert page number, click on wherever you want it to appear, close, and then you can also insert a cover page. For that, go to insert cover page. You can choose any of these templates. Let me choose this. You can type the company name. In this case, let's type the name of college. Then you can type title of document here. If there is any subtitle, you can give it, or else you can give your name. Or your register number. You can automatically choose the date here if you want. So that's it. You have a cover page now. You have a table of contents there. You have a formatted text. And at the end you have a list of figures and tables.